Okay, I've been working on the 250 tank. Now that's what I like. Gap like that. Nice gap right there. There's a huge gap right here. And instead of just make a little piece, I just cut it out so it's one piece. We're gonna trim it up. Trim it up. Gotta grind all this out. Just tacked it right there real quick, but that's what I want. If I keep it consistent, not melt through, I'm probably gonna use a little air gun, because that's what I've seen people do, is use a little air gun. Tack weld, blowing off, tack weld, blow it off. Because my problem is I'm melting through. It's 18 gauge, so yeah. I'm getting it from my tool cart over there, my cheap old tool cart. Do not get that Iron Max tool cart. It's a pile of crap. Did not last. Now it's getting turned into recycling for a 250 tank. Surprisingly, it's the same gauge metal, so same type of metal too. So it's kind of cool. Actually, yeah.